Hello everyone, how are you? I am also fine. So, welcoming you for a new moral story. In today's story, we are going to say about or talk about some spirituality.
For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
How to we get connected spiritually. So, there is a small story on this. So, there once lived a seeker of God called Ramdas. Ramdas was actually interested in getting connected with the God. He was eager to study and understand spirituality, knowledge about God. He approached a guru and requested the guru teach him spirituality practice so that he could get close to the God. The Guru was well aware of Ramdas' defect of anger. He knew that this would prevent Ramdas from feeling closeness to the God. So the Guru decided to prepare first Ramdas before teaching him serious spiritual practices. So the Guru replied, Dear Ramdas, chant the God's name during all the activities for a month, then take a bath and come back to me. Starting the very next day, Ramdas chanted the God's name. During all his activities, after a month, he went to a river, took a bath, and put a fresh clothes to visit the Guru. On the way to the Guru's ashram, his clothes got dirty as a sweeper was sweeping the street carelessly. Ramdas was furious and shouted at the sweeper, What are you doing? You fool! Now I have to go back and wash and dry these clothes and bath again. Such a waste of time. The Guru had observed the scene. When Ramdas reached the ashram, he said, Dear Ramdas, you are not yet ready for further spiritual practice. Chant the God's name during all your activities for another 1 month. Take a bath at the end of it and come to see me. Ramdas accepted. There was no choice for him. So Ramdas accepted the Guru's wish and went back to chanting along with his daily activities. When that month was over and Ramdas was returning to the ashram eagerly, a similar incident happened. Now this time the sweeper accidentally brushed his dirty broom against Ramdas. Again Ramdas became furious at the sweeper, and again the Guru sent him back and asked him to chant the God's name for another 1 month. So, end of the third month, when Ramdas was on his way to visit the Guru, something unusual happened. The sweeper saw Ramdas approaching and remembered the way Ramdas had betrayed him, even though what had happened. It had been an accident. So he noticed that Ramdas was once again wearing new clothes, clean clothes. So this time, before Ramdas could do or say anything, the sweeper was so furious at Ramdas, intentionally poured all the dirt from his garbage on Ramdas' head. So by this time, Ramdas joined his hands and said, I thank you. I thank you, you are my master. You taught me how to overcome my anger. The sweeper was surprised and hugged his head in shame. So this time when Ramdas reached the Guru's ashram, the Guru was waiting for him. The Guru was pleased and patted Ramdas on the head, just as a mother pats a child on his achievement. So, dear friends, what did we learn from this small story? We can only imagine how irritated Ramdas must have been with the sweeper, who would accidentally come in the way when Ramdas was eagerly returning to his Guru after a whole month's effort. In our lives, we come across many such situations that anger us. As the story tells us, Ramdas completely overcame his anger after 3 months of chanting the God's name and by obeying the Guru. He viewed the sweeper as the master. He viewed the sweeper as the master who helped him overcome his anger. We too can look at every situation of an opportunity to realize and overcome our defects. This is possible only due to the strength of chanting the God's name. So, start chanting the God's name and overcome your anger like Ramdas did. Thank you very much.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.